Here we've got Sony Xperia 1, 2, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, just open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the More icon, select History, and here click on Clear Browsing Data. Now you will find basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then under advanced you have a few more, and these are saved passwords, auto clear from data, and also site settings. To remove it, just click on clear data, but firstly you have to select the time range. So just click on time range and decide if you would like to remove data from last hour, past 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or maybe all time. And actually all time is the option that I would like to pick because I want to clear it fully, and then just tap on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, there's no longer history here and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.